I would say have a plan. Make sure it's focused towards staff well-being. And the third one, have fun along the way, because that's what it's all about.
Social prescribing can empower people, whatever their age and background, to connect to community support for the benefit of their health and well-being, and to strengthen the power of communities to generate and support good health.
I've seen this breakfast club. I think it makes an amazing difference to these kids. We should look at it. And there's a whole story that goes on then over 20 years where we've gone from funding that one school to managing to support breakfast in 800 primary schools across the country.
There's never been a more important time to promote, support and accredit the real living wage, that the cost of living crisis is impacting on our communities, our city in extraordinary ways, and the rising prices of food and energy are pushing many households to the limit.
And if you aggregate that up, it means £13.2 billion of lost output to Wales. So if Wales had a productivity level that was the same as the UK average, we would have an economy that was £13 billion larger.